Good morning. Guess what? We woke up to this. So, we're in the middle of a little blizzard that jumped in. So, we're all good. We're gonna take our time and wait out a little bit.
Oh my gosh. It's freaking snowing. What the heck, dude? Holy cow. What are we supposed to do? How do we drive home in this stuff? I'm wearing sandals. Oh my gosh. Oh, freezing cold. Oh. Oh. It's a blizzard. You gave her your sweater. It's so nice. Jim didn't bring a jacket. That's cool. Back in the car like a Tetris man. Oh yeah. My toes are cold. What? Jim just freaking threw snow all in my face and I'm freaking cold already. Oh,
Hey.
You're nothing but a bully.
No jacket.
Yeah, I'm gonna freaking throw one at you.
Frozen
Don't
fingers.
give me your frozen fingers. Oh, Matthew, please, no, guys. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Nice alarm, huh?
With my toes.
We all got it. Hello.
Hello.
Come on in.
Hello.
Idaho blast.
It's snowing on us.
Was it?
We're not supposed to be here in the snow.
Did you see all the snow outside?
It's
Take the scissors. Cut the front of her hair.
okay. My toes are freezing.
As you can see.
I'm wearing sandals. I'm wearing sandals.
Oh dear.
I know.
No squalls are nothing to mess with.
I know.
I got my jacket on.
Jim didn't bring a jacket.
It's hanging up. The thing.
All of our phones.
Yeah.
Hey, Crystal!
No, I'm not in the fight. I'm not in the fight.
That made a ball! You're so tight! Oh, it's in my shirt!
Check your eyes. So.
Dad, you! Help! Please!
Oh no, he's totally wiped. You totally are gonna have a wet car now, Chrislyn. You barely got missed, Gaia.
Are you getting revenge, Tom? Real life. Yes! That thing was there! What did I do? What did I do? Inside my shirt. Oh, you were actually filming?
Yeah, Matthew, poke your head out here. Smile. You look like a hoodlum, Matthew. Smile. He looks like a greaser.
A greaser. Bounty by.
Where you going?
She's catching the big flakes.
On my arm?
We're snowballing you.
Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Wow, these are huge. Giant snowflakes. Look at this. I don't even know how much the gas is. 428. Look at how covered it is. Look at how covered you are.
Let's go.
You want my money, right? What?
Except for this woman with the roof.
Yeah, and you have no jacket. That's even sadder. How cute. Look at the green one. You look cranky. Oh, I like the mint one. That's cute. Cute. Look at that sign. Look at those people.
Holding.
Yeah, they're holding it.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away. endless colors fill my head.